Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today we are going to solve question number 11 and 12 of exercise 4b of new syllabus mathematics book 2. So students, in this question number 11, the statement is if x square plus y square is equal to 14 and xy is equal to 5, then find the value of this expression. What is this expression? 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y whole square. So we have to find out the value of this expression. Students, you know, you have learned about an identity that since if you have a plus b whole square, so it is equal to a square plus 2a into b plus b square. So we are going to apply this identity on this expression. Then we can easily expand this expression and solve the question, and we can find out the value of this expression by using these two given values. So the expression that we are going to find the value of is this half x plus half y whole square. Yes, half x 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y whole square. Students, we are going to expand this expression by using this. So if you see in the identity, in the formula, you can see a means the first value and b means the second value. So in the identity we have to expand it by using this. For first of all, we have to taking square of the first term. So a square means first square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term, b means second term, b is the second term, and then plus square of the second term. So in the question our first term is 1 by 2x and in our second term is 1 by 2y. So first term is 1 by 2x, taking the square of this, plus 2 into a means the first value, first term, that is a 1 by 2x, into b means the second term, that is a half of y, 1 by 2, plus b square means the second square of second term, half of y square. Now open the squares. 1 over 2 square is 1 over 2x square is 1 over 4x square, plus this 2 is cancelled by this, so cancel these. We have 1 into x, that is x, and 1 into y is y, so we have half 1 by 2 xy, plus now open the square of this term, we have 1 over 4 y square. Students, you got the point? Okay. Now write the first term 1 over 4x square. Now write this third term on the here, 1 over 4x square plus 1 over 4y square, and write this second term at the last. Now taking the common in these two terms, 1 by 4 is, you can take the common, 1 by 4 into x square plus y square plus half into xy. Put bracket here. Now see students, what is the value of x square plus y square? 14. And what is the value of xy in the question? 5. Now by putting these two values here, you can easily find out the value of this expression. 1 over 4. What is the value of x square plus y square? That is 14. So write here 14 plus 1 over 2. What is the value of xy? That is 5. Yes. Now cancel out 4 with 14. So it is cancelled by the table of 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. So we have 7 by 2 plus 5 over 2. Now taking the LCM. Students, you can see the denominators are same. So it's very easy to solve by taking the LCM. LCM is 2. So here is 7. We will write it for 7 plus 5. If we add 7 plus 5, we get 12 over 2. Now cancel these. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So value is 6. So we have to find the value of this expression, 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2y whole square, and the answer is, the value is 6. Now in question number 12, the statement is, if 2x square minus 2y square is equal to 125 and x minus y is equal to 2.5, find the value of x plus y. So in this question, we are going to start the solution in this question by using this information that is given. Given value, we have 2 into x square minus 2y square is equal to 125. Now students, taking 2 as a common on the left hand side, so we have 2 into x square minus y square is equal to 125. Now students, you have learned the formula or identity that you know x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Now we are going to apply this formula here, right? So we will write x plus y into x minus y in place of x square minus y square. Students, see here, what is this? It's x square minus y square, and we are going to write x plus y into x minus y in place of x square minus y square. So in the next step, we will write 2 as it is, and we are going to apply this identity here. So x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So write here x plus y into x minus y, that is equal to 125. Now students, see, one value is given, that is x minus y. The value of x minus y is equal to 2.5. So now put this value here. So write 2, write x plus y, and what is the value of x minus y? 2.5. So write here 2.5, that is equal to 125. Now multiply 2 with 2.5, so the answer is 5. We get 5, so 5 into x plus y is equal to 125. Now divide this 5 under the 125, so we have x plus y is equal to 125 by 5. Now you can easily cancel out 125 and 5. So both are divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So we have the value x plus y is equal to 25. That is the answer. So what we are going to find out the value? The value of x plus y. And here you students, you can see we have found the value of x plus y is equal to 25. Students, I hope that you have understood these two questions, question number 11 and question number 12. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and share my video with other friends. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.